No.
I'm done.
Push-ups. Ty, your turn.
No, I ain't doing that.
Come on. Chicken.
Ooh, how was that from the bucket?
Ty, your turn. Go for it.
I'll try it out.
You can do the first cone. Oh, no.
I got it.
No push-ups. You gotta do the push-ups. That's 5. You have to hit the inside of the bucket.
We get 2 tries, right? Oh, now.
Go again.
The rules now? Okay, the rules now. Try to do it.
Push-ups. Come on.
Please, come on, baby.
Alright, my last attempt here.
Got it.
Oh. Alright, Scott, you got 4 attempts to hit it.
Oh.
I can usually make people run a barrel in.
Where'd he go?
Ooh, that was good. Saw that good position? Oh. No, you got 3 more tries. Calvin, that's yours.
Stop! Down in that area, it's yours!
2 more, coach. 2 more. Nail it. Oh!
Whoa! Is it in?
No.
In and out.
Now hit the rim. Hit the rim. Have to hit the backside.
Ty, what's wrong with you?
My hip.
My hip.